Welcome back to the short update video. I'm sitting here in the lounge of the airport. Boarding is quite in a few minutes, so we need to be quick, but I will definitely come out today with an update. So let's start first of all with the fear and greed index. We have seen that the fear and greed index was in the last day on the extreme gear or kind of to the gear level. Now we are pulling quite a little bit back. So when we're looking here directly to the Bitcoin chart, after hitting the all-time high, we get a hard rejection. To be honest, we expect something like this, but it came news driven from Donald Trump, so it was like kinda way more down. So we can see here we have also marked our positions here. I talked in yesterday's video that we can potentially see a retest of the area from 109,000 to 108,000 US dollars. I already position stored a lot of limit orders which already catch up, and it's, to be honest, it's now quite in a loss. I definitely figure out that the price will pushing to the upside. So especially when we see here, like after the low was kind of here at 106,000 US dollars, we came straight back up to 109,000 US dollars, get the rejection again, and now we also bought up here. So I'm very convinced that we are going straight back to the upside, but there's also a possibility that we can go way down here to 105,000 US dollars, because when we go on the liquidation heat map, there we can see that we have on around 105,000 US dollars a lot of liquidity sitting. So it could be potentially that we are wicking down here, grab the liquidity down there, and then shoot straight back up. But there's also a possibility when we're changing here to the 24 hours that we came first up, liquidate all the short position here and around, what is it, around 109,000 US dollars, and then go down. So these are the both scenarios, so that we can, to be honest, we can be shopping around between this area here, and then one kind we should liquidate all positions here, came then straight down, liquidate all positions here, and then shoot up. This is the scenario I definitely watching out. So that's the reason I position also some limits orders here. I will also add some limit orders open already down here at 105,000 US dollars. So kind of we are now 8% in a loss, so it's quite okay. It's not nothing bad. I trade all my positions on ByBit, so if you don't have a ByBit account, just go under the video. In the video description there's a link to the ByBit channel, and also you can copy trade me. So there's also a link, ByBit copy trading. Just press the link there, sign up there, follow my copy trades, and then you just follow my copy trades with doing like nothing and earn the same profits I will do. So I expect here definitely a move back to the upside. So when we go closer in the 15-minute chart of the Bitcoin, then we can also see that we are here now running into some resistance. So we need to change this to resistance. Let's change this short. So here we have now big resistance coming up. So the next trade position I will give you here right now would be either we broke and retest, and then target would be all the way, first of all, the all-time high, and then later we can adjust it. But after the all-time high, I expect also a rejection, that we're not throwing there through butter, but the other trade setup would be all the way down here, 106,000. This is the more safer one. To be honest, like, I think we can come all the way down here. This would be the quite safer one. If you just throw through the resistance level, get a retest, we can enter here. But the more safer one would be test this again. We've seen here a lot of wicks also there. Very strong support zone. If we go down there, and then we go straight back up. Same remains for our Ethereum position. So here, as we talked yesterday about the Ethereum trade, we came down, consolidate, and then we will shoot up. It's exactly what we're talking yesterday about. So it's also a very good position now to open Ethereum trade. Would be all the way, to be honest, I would wait if we came down here, but you can still enter it before. So if you want, you can also enter, yeah, do we enter right now? I'm already in Ethereum position in, so I just keep waiting when my Ethereum position went in profit. I think I entered the Ethereum trade around here, this level. So kind of a little bit in loss now, like 2%, was absolutely fine. But when we are breaking here these highs, then we can see definitely $3,000 as a target. Last coin which I want to talk about is Solana, also like in a very great position to accumulate a Solana. So especially like here in these both of regions between the green box and the red box. I already gave you one Solana trade yesterday, so if you catch this, you already hit the take profit 1, so congratulations and all. So now it's a perfect possibility to re-enter our trade and trade it all the way up again. Doesn't matter if you enter it right now or you wait up in the zone here. So if we take this here, our trade target would be all the way up to $100. It would be like a good ratio, so you can just still enter the trade right now, but if you want to go on a safer side, just wait until this level here, 172 to $170. I will update later also the Solana buy position, that you have it also there in mind. If you want to get access to the community, just go in the video description, the link below, completely for free. I will share there a lot of potential trade ideas I would take also myself, so just join there. Also, you can trade these trades on ByBit, also with my copy trading account, so just feel free to enter this. And then last one I gave it also yesterday is the XRP trade, still in the entry zone, so you can just also enter the XRP trade. So now you have like 2 trades plus 1 Ethereum and 1 Bitcoin entry levels. There you can also go there. Now it's time for me to end this video because it's like a boarding time in a few minutes. So don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then we see. I don't know if I can do a video tomorrow. I try to make a video, but it depends on the internet in the hotel. But then I keep you updated here in our community. So first link in the video description, and then we see tomorrow.